What is up? It's your boy Rudy Ortiz, SoCal Epoxy Pools, coming at you with another quick tip on how to do it yourself when you're working with epoxy pool paint and restoring your swimming pool. And I'm talking about the fill-ins between the cracks of the coping and the actual foundation of your flooring without making a big giant mess. And this, again, you can thank epoxy for. But let's show you how to do it. Let's get it done and take a look at this video. Hopefully it helps you out. On the swimming pool, and well, one of the things we are going to be doing is filling in the cracks between the pre-existing coping and also the new cement slab that they added to the property here. Went all around the pool first of all, and you want to make sure that you get all the moldings that are sitting between the grooves. As you can see here, we've pretty much got rid of all of it, all the way around the area where you're going to be adding this new fill-in, which is like a caulking basically. All right, so now that we got our Crack Stix box here open, we're gonna go ahead and pop them up. And so what they are is they're pre-composed or composed sticks of epoxy that we're gonna lay down between those crevices. So at first we're gonna see if we can pull it up from here, usually from the middle, so that way it keeps a circle. We're gonna pull it up in the middle. Okay. I'm gonna start filling these joints. Okay. We're gonna fill it all in, all the way through. I'm gonna get to there, try to fill it in all the way over there, probably all the way through over there in the middle, and then show you guys what the following step is gonna be. All right, so once you've gotten them measured out, you gotta remove the plastic, because they do come in plastic. So you end up with something like this. Stick it in the groove, like so. Cut it to size. Basically, once you have those crack joints set into place, and we shall start the fun part. So I'm gonna put this camera down. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing, but give you guys an idea more or less. Hopefully the camera angle's right. Once you've got the Crack Stix melted in, get it pretty solid. Then we're gonna add some sand texture, a little bit of sand right on top to go over that. Maybe just melt it down a little bit more, and as soon as it's melted, we're gonna add a little bit of sand to give it some texture. So here we go. So we've added a little bit more of a sand texture up top, just to give it the right color. So that's pretty much it for this quick video on how to do it yourself when it comes to joint fills between the coping and the pool deck slabs. Again, if you're looking to purchase this product, you can now do so directly on our shopping website, which can be found at www.socalepoxypoolcoatings.com. If you're looking for any of the products that are displayed on this video, or pretty much any other video that you find in my channel, be sure to check out our website, where you can find all of these products that I use and purchase them at a discounted price. Thank you guys for all the love and the support you guys continue to provide throughout the years. We look forward to servicing you either through product orders, or if you're looking to get the service completed and you live in the SoCal area, feel free to comment in the description below and leave us a message, and we will do our very best to get back to you. Other than that, coming to you from the city of Los Angeles here in Norwalk, California. Thank you guys for watching, and have a blessed day. Adios.